Absolute configuration, RS nomenclature. It is called absolute configuration because in absolute configuration we can know actual orientation of and actual arrangement of atom in space, actual group of atom arrangement in space. Means we can know by absolute configuration we can get to know actual arrangement of atom or group of atom in space. So it is designated as RNS. By RNS configuration we can get to know the actual configuration of the molecule. That's why we learn absolute configuration, RS nomenclature. Actually in the RS nomenclature some introduction is there. After that I will explain one by one. The detailed electrochemical picture of the molecule, including how the atoms are arranged in the space. Alternatively, the RNS configuration at each chiral center is used to assign. RS configuration, also known as can include very long configuration, more conventionally CIP convection, is the universally recognized method used to specify the absolute configuration at the chiral center in an organic molecule. In any organic molecule such as this compounds, RNS configuration is given. This RNS configuration is given according to some rule. The rule is described by CIP convention. By CIP rule, CIP provides some rules. By this rule, we can provide an RS nomenclature to any H2S center. Any H2S center, any chiral carbon, any chiral center can be provided RNS nomenclature by the CIP rule. We will learn one by one CIP rule, each CIP rule. And we will also learn one shortcut. By this we can assign RS nomenclature to any compounds easily. First of all, we will learn detailed step by step process. Then after we will learn shortcut how to assign an RNS nomenclature. RS configuration, how to assign. First step, first to determine the solid composition at the chiral center is RNS at a 3-step procedure used. The CIP rule provides some procedure, some steps. By this we have to we can assign RNS nomenclature. Suppose this compound is given. According to CIP rule, first of all we have to find the highest atomic number of these compounds, then after second, third, fourth. We have to numbering the highest atomic number 1, then after second, third, fourth. Suppose this compounds the highest atomic number is bromine is provided number 1, then after the oxygen, then after the carbon. We have to look first atom which is attached with this. Here the first atom attached with this bromine, here first oxygen, then hydrogen, here first carbon, then hydrogen, here is only hydrogen. Then we have to assign number 1, then after bromine has the highest atomic number, then oxygen, then carbon. Now 3 are left. In 3 oxygen has the highest atomic number, then it is second. In 2 are left, hydrogen and carbon. Carbon is highest atomic number, then it is provided 3. Now hydrogen is last, it is provided 4. So by atomic number bromine, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen. So priority will be bromine, oxygen, carbon and hydrogen. So it is provided 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way we have first of all do the numbering. Suppose any isotopes are present, such as hydrogen, deuterium are present, and then in this case first of all we have to provide we have to consider the atomic number. If atomic number are equal, then you have to consider the mass number. Second step is to consider the mass number. First step is consider the atomic number. If atomic number is equal, then we have to go the mass number. In these compounds, oxygen, carbon, deuterium, hydrogens. The first of all you have to consider atomic number. Oxygen is the highest atomic number, then the carbon, then the hydrogen, deuterium. The oxygen will be provided number 1. Then after carbon is the highest atomic number. Second, hydrogen and deuterium both have same atomic number. Both have same atomic number. Then you have to consider the mass number. First atomic number, then after mass number. In mass number, deuterium has higher mass than the hydrogen. Mass number of deuterium is higher than the hydrogen. That's why it is provided 3. This is provided 4. Now I have already considered oxygen is 1, 2, here deuterium is 3, the 4. First of all you have to consider the atomic number, then the mass number. Here is the carbon, oxygen. Oxygen is the highest atomic number, it is provided number 1. Now 2 places, first carbon is carbon, first atom is carbon, first atom is carbon. These 2 carbon equal, mass number equal, if atomic number and mass number are equal, then you have to consider the second atom which is attached with this first atom. With this carbon atoms, hydrogen is attached, but this carbon atoms, another carbon is attached, so we have to consider the second atom. Second atoms, carbon is attached, but second atoms only hydrogen is attached, means this carbon 3 hydrogens, but this carbon 2 hydrogens and 1 carbon, this carbon also has a 3 hydrogens. In this way, so it is a carbon. Now here carbon is there, so it is has priority. First hydrogen is identical, second hydrogen is identical, third hydrogen, here is third carbon, so carbon is a higher atomic number than this hydrogen. That's why we have to consider the carbon is a higher priority. This carbon is given 2, this carbon is given 2. Now this first carbon atom is carbon, here first is hydrogen, so it is provided number 3, this is provided number 4. Similar that is I have shown here. By this I have shown the carbon attached with 3 hydrogens, here carbon attached with this carbon, so these two are similar, 3 is hydrogens but 3 is carbon, so carbon is a higher atomic number than the hydrogen. That's why carbon is in this group is provided higher priority than this groups. Now it is provided number 2 and this is number 3. Here priority of CH3 is higher than the CH3, CH2 priority higher than the CH3. Such type of double bond is present. Here is double bond present, here is CH2, CH3. Now this is the oxygen higher atomic number, then we have to consider this is a first, but between these two compound which will be higher? In this carbon we have a CH2, this CH, here double bond means 2 carbon is attached, 1 carbon and 1 carbon. This carbon has a, in this way we have to consider this 2 carbon. Now this is how it is they are attached, CH2 means this is C, here 2 carbon is there, here only 1 carbon is there. This carbon is attached with only 1 carbon, this is carbon attached with 2 carbon, so this will be higher priority, but I will explain one by one. This carbon, suppose this carbon is attached with the A, this means this carbon attached with 2A, 2 bonds with 2A, this carbon attached with the 2A, here 2A is shown. Now suppose this carbon attached with CH2 means 2C, this carbon attached with the double bonds with CH2 means this carbon attached with 2 carbons here is shown. Now similarly C carbon is attached with 3A, so C carbon attached with 1, 2, 3A. Here C carbon attached with CH means C carbon attached with 3, 1, 2, 3 is shown. Now similarly this meaning is this C attached with C. If here double bond is omitted, now this C is attached with the 2 carbon, this is attached with the 2 carbon. If you are not getting, I will also make much more clear here. Now I will make more clear. This carbon attached with the 2C, by this carbon attached with the 2C, here C, here C. This carbon by the color I will make more clear, by coloring you will getting much more clear. Suppose this carbon, this is a C, this C is attached with 2 carbon, this is 2 carbon attached with this. Now this is attached with the 2 carbon. Now this C is red C is attached with 2 carbon, and this green carbon is also attached with the 2 carbon. Now this is also attached with the 2 carbon. Now this C is also attached with the 2 carbon, this is attached with 1 carbon and 1 carbon. In this way I have already shown. Now in this way this carbon CH here this carbon is attached with 1 carbon and 2 carbon, but this carbon attached with the only 1 carbon. That's why this will be higher priority then this group. That's why this will be given higher priority 2 than this 3. This is given higher atomic number, that's why it is 1 1 2 3. Hydrogen is lowest priority because his lowest atomic number. This is given 4. Similarly, this bromine will have a higher atomic number, and this oxygen and this carbon, then hydrogens. Suppose 1 2 3 4 is numbering is given, and fourth is towards viewer. Generally the lowest priority group must be away from the viewer in the downward direction, must be in the dash directions, in the dash positions. Generally lowest priority group should be there to assign an R and S configuration. To assign RS configuration, lowest priority group should be in the dash position, but it in these compounds H is not in the dash position, it's towards the viewer. That's why you have to rotate 120 degree. These have 120 degree angle, these have 120 degree angle. That's why we have to rotate 120 degree, so that fourth will come in the 3 positions, in the dash positions. So after 120 degree, by keeping the bromine in the same positions, it will rotate, then OH will come in the H positions. Here OH in the OH positions, H will go in the CS3 position, CS3 will come in the OH position. Here CS3 come, and this way fourth lowest priority go in the dash position in the backward directions away from the viewer. This is the correct structure, If how the RS configuration is given, if 1 2 3, if 1 2 3 follow the order clockwise direction. If 1 2 3 1 2 3, we have to omit the lowest priority group. We didn't consider the lowest priority group, means fourth number group. Then 1 2 3, it is following the clockwise order. 1 2 3, this anti-clockwise order is following the anti-clockwise order. If anti-clockwise order is follow, anti-clockwise या counter-clockwise order is follow, then that is given as configuration. If any clockwise order is follow, then it is given R. If any anti-clockwise, then it is given S. So anti-clockwise S and clockwise R. RS configuration is given. Now here I have shown, if 1 2 3 follow the order counterclockwise, then S is given. If follow clockwise, then R configuration is given. Now in example, if this configuration is given, this atomic number priority will be given. We have to provide 1 2 3 4 higher atomic number bromine, then oxygen, then carbon, then hydrogens. Hydrogen is the lowest priority group, and it is in the backward direction in the dash position. Then it is structure is correct. The order follow is 1 2 3. This is a counterclockwise, anti-clockwise. Then S nomenclature will be given. This is a S configuration. In the Fisher's projection formula, previously Weierstrass projection formula we used to numbering and defining the RS nomenclature. Now if the Fisher projection formula is given, this fourth priority group in the this is our the dash line, this is our wedge line. So this is wedge line. So in the lowest priority group come in the fourth position, in the dash position, in the lowest directions away from the viewer, then that is okay. If it is not in the dash position, in the fourth group not in the lower directions, then we have to make some arrangement so that the H and the lowest priority group must come in the fourth positions and in the dash position. So in this way, the hydrogen is oxygen is the 1, then this carbon will provide 2 priority group, then this carbon. This 2 carbon, how the atomic priority will be given. This carbon is identical. Then now second atom is oxygen. Here second atom is how this given, actually aldehyde. This group is like this. How these are given? Then C double bond O. Double bond means O means in this way, and one hydrogen is there. This carbon has a 2 oxygen, but this carbon has only 1 oxygen. This carbon has a 2 hydrogens. This way, this carbon has a only 1 oxygen, but this carbon has a 2 oxygen because it has double bond. That's why it is given higher priority than this carbon. This group has higher priority than this group. So that's why this is given 2, this is given 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is follow clockwise direction, so it is R configuration. Now in this compound's fourth group in the lowest position, this is fine. Iodine higher atomic number, then the bromine, then the chlorine. This follow in this order, so this is a R clockwise. Here is also this nitrogen high atomic number. First atom we have to consider. Now carbon. This carbon has only hydrogen, this carbon has oxygen, so this will be higher atomic number priority groups. This is given 2, this is given 4. Hydrogen is the lowest priority group in the downward directions. This is fine. This flow in the anti-clockwise directions. So this is given S configuration. In this compounds, this is a fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now bromine is a high atomic number 1, 2. Chlorine is given 4th hydrogens, lowest priority group. This is flow anti-clockwise direction, S nomenclature. Now in the second rule, in this rule I have corrected some things after this correction. Suppose this compound is given the H, the lowest priority group in the vertically upward direction, in the upward position, in top positions. We have to bring this group in the lowest positions, means downward directions. This position we have to bring the lowest priority groups, but it in the front position, in the first positions. So after the flipping, if this position is there, this type of compounds there, then now we have to flip the compounds. This H will come in the downward direction and CH2 will go on, CHO will go in upward direction. After the flippings, this is the shown wrongly. This is the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth in the upward directions, front positions. After flipping, H will come in the downward directions, H in the downward directions, CHO in the upward directions. Now in this way the numbering is done 1, 2, 3, 4. After this numbering, the configuration is R. After this configuration, this is clockwise direction, that's why the RS configuration is provided. It is clockwise direction, that's why R is provided. R configuration is there. Now when the H group in the left side, so we have to make this group in the lowest positions. We have to keep the CHO in the same positions. We have to rotate this H in this 2 rotation is done. Change to 2 positions. We have to do 2 flips, means H will come this position, this will go in this positions. Now keeping the CHO aldehyde in the same position, the CHO in the same positions, this hydrogen shift to this position, this CH2OH will shift to this position, this OH will go this hydrogen positions. Now this is the same. Oxygen is higher priority group, then the second, then third and fourth. Now it is fine. This flowing in the clockwise direction, then this configuration will be R. If it is in the right direction, then we have to rotate 2 rotation we have to done, keeping the CHO in the same positions. So this CH will come in these positions. Now this CH2OH will go these positions. Now this structure we are getting. This is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3. Now it is following anti-clockwise direction. This is S configuration. Now we have to learn the assign the RS configuration from Fisher projection containing more than one chirality center. If the more than one chirality center, then how we are numbering the future RS configuration. Now we will learn something shortcut. We will learn about some shortcut. Suppose this compound is given. We didn't want to convert this compound into this compound. We directly want to insert from this compound. So if the fourth group, if the lowest priority group come in the downward directions, not come in the lowest position, not in this position, if fourth lowest priority group doesn't come in this position, then we have to do something. We have to first of all numbering, we have to do the RS, provide RS nomenclature. If each group is not in the lowest priority positions, if H group not in the H group, yeah, lowest priority group not come in the downward direction, then opposite the configuration, means suppose this compound is given and now first of all you have to do numbering. This oxygen will 1, this group will is numbering 2, priority 2, this group will priority 3, this group priority 4. Then we have to omit the fourth, and we have to do the we have to assign the RS configuration 1, 2, 3. Then we are rotating like this. this is a R configuration, clockwise R configuration, but H not in the lowest priority positions, H not in the lowest priority position, this will be wrong answer and the right answer will be S. Now from this we are getting S. Similarly in this example, H is not in the lowest priority group, so omit these things. I have to consider all the other parts. Now in this position oxygen will be 1 positions, 2 priority group, 3 priority groups. We have to do rotations. Now we have to do rotations. This will be in this direction. This will be the anti-clock direction R, but this will be wrong. Our answer will be R, because fourth priority group not in the downward direction. That's why our answer will be R. In this way, in the examinations we can answer directly. Now in this example, I make some corrections. After the correction it is all right. Now suppose this is given if the fourth priority group is not in the lowest position. After the conversion tree is okay, fine, but before the conversion, if you want to answer in the examinations directly without conversion from one to another, we want to answer directly, then if not fourth is not in the lowest position, then we have to number 1, this will 2, this will 3, this will 4, 1 2 3 4. Well, we didn't consider the 4. Now we don't consider the 4. We have to rotate. Now this is 1 2 3, follow this order. This means R, but fourth in the not in the lowest position, so R will be wrong answer. Our correct answer will be S. Now in this example, the correct answer will be 1 2 3, means R. Something wrong. Now in the rule 3, if such type of compound is given, we didn't want to convert from this compound to another compounds to actual structure formula. By this compound we want to answer directly, which is what is the RSN configuration. Then we have to numbering the compounds 1 2, then we have to numbering 1 2, this will be number 4, 3, now is number 4. Fourth is not in the lowest positions. It is not necessary to convert this to this compound for getting RS nomenclature. So 1 2 3, this will follow the order. This R and S nomenclature, this is anti-clockwise directions. The answer will be S, but this is not in the lowest positions. H is not in the lowest positions. For lowest priority group not in the lowest positions, that's why S will be wrong. The correct answer will be R. We have to opposite the answer if H will be not in the lowest positions. Now this is a 1 2 3 positions. Now answer will be R. This is a clockwise direction. Now after converting this, we are also getting R. Without converting, we are also getting R answer. In this way, it is a shortcut to answer. Just opposite the answer. All this H in the lowest position, so we didn't need to convert this one to another form. Whatever the answer will be, that is final. This is S. This is a final. 1 2 3. This will follow this order. This is a S order. In this way, we answer the shortcut, and now we will learn about enantiomer. Before this, we will learn. Now if more than one chiral center is there such a compound, how to assign RS nomenclature. This is a 2 chiral center, and both 2 chiral center will be R and S configuration. Then how to assign this R and S configurations. Now this can be written like this without, I am showing here the 1 2 3 numbering is showing, a straight chain and a star is showing, because this is a 2 chiral centers, 4 different group are attached. Now how to do the RS configuration. Now for this compound, suppose this compound is given, how to R. For this, first of all you have to consider this, then after we will consider this. For this the numbering is 10. 1 oxygen is higher atomic number. Here is also carbon is attached. This is also carbon is attached. Then this is treated as a group. This is whole treated as a group. Now this is a 1, and this is also carbon. Here is carbon. Here is also carbon. So this carbon attached with the oxygen. This is a carbon attached. Next to the carbon oxygen, this carbon attached, so it will have a higher priority. This will be priority 2. Now this carbon priority 3, this carbon priority 4. Now fourth not in the this position, not in the lowest positions, not in the dash position. Fourth not in the less position. That's why we have to assign RS configuration. Then you have to audit the answer. In this, the which configuration will be answer in this situation? The 1 2 3. This will rotation. Our fourth group you have to omit in the rotation directions. 1 2 3, only 1 2 3 group we consider. So 1 2 3, in this way the answer should be R, clockwise, but fourth not in the lowest position, that's why answer will be S. This chiral center will be answer S. Now for this chiral carbon, this carbon one priority is given this carbon this. Now this is considered as one group, so this carbon is attached with this carbon with oxygen and carbon, but this carbon attached with only carbon, but this carbon attached one carbon and oxygen is also. So this is priority 2, this is priority 3, this is priority 4. Fourth, note in the lowest positions, that's why we have to opposite the answer. First of all, we have to get to the answer. The rotation will be 1 2 3. This is the rotation of S. Now answer will be our, this is wrong, this is R, so that this configuration will be R. Now we can denote this is a S, this is a R. See, the same thing I have done here. The lowest things I have written this, the lowest group I have written this. This group is similar to this group. That's why in shortcut we can do in the questions also. In questions also we can do this, like we can do this structure like and we can get answer. We didn't need to write this structure in the short format, then we have to calculate. We didn't need to calculate this in this way, but I have shown a step by step procedure so that we can get easily. So in the post of my post, you'll get all these things. Now we'll